No one told me this about learning English, that confidence doesn't comes from knowing English. It comes from speaking English. Yes, you heard it right. So today I will tell you how I changed myself from hesitation and overthinking to taking action and speaking English. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you know, my name is Akanksha, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the truth that changed my mindset forever. Okay, so you know what, earlier my problem was not English. My problem was not English, my problem was mindset. Yes, you know, whenever I wanted to speak English, I started thinking too much. Like, is my grammar correct? Am I using correct sentence? Should I use this or that? And because of this overthinking, I didn't speak. I was learning, but I didn't speak. I stopped speaking. Yes, but one day I realized something very powerful, that you don't learn English by thinking. You don't learn English by thinking. You learn English by speaking. And this big change helped me a lot. So I made a simple rule for me. I made a simple rule for me, like speak first, correct later. Yes, and you know, earlier I used to think first and then speak later, but now I speak first and then I learn from my mistake. And this method helped me a lot to improve my English, because you know, I was not trying to being perfect in English. I started just simple and broken in English, because my goal was not perfection, my goal was confidence. Okay, I started using English like a tool, not like a subject. You know, while doing my household work, I spoke whatever it could be wrong or right, but I kept going. But slowly I noticed something amazing in myself, that my fear started reducing. Yes, my fear started reducing and my confidence started growing. And not because my English become fluent, but because I stopped being afraid for speaking. So if you're also waiting for the perfect time, please stop. Yes guys, please stop, because that day will never come in your life. Start today. Start today, even if it is wrong, even if it is broken English. At least start speaking today, because confidence is not about speaking perfect English. It is about the having a courage to speak. That's it. So that's why I'm telling you, start speaking today. Don't wait for perfect time. Create your own environment. Okay, so I hope guys you got it my point. So I think that's enough for today. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.